Another potential airdrop that I want to share to you guys is no other than Entangle, in which they are the first customizable messaging infrastructure that was designed to unify Web3 and optimize the ecosystem liquidity. We can get secured and customizable blockchain data for builders and decentralized applications with full security configurability. So it gives us a much more secure and customizable blockchain data for Web3 builders and decentralized applications that has a full security configurability. So before we get things started, guys, make sure that you smash the subscribe button, hit like, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And guys, just to let you all know that we're not promoting any financial or investment advice, so please kindly acknowledge the disclaimer that I have right here on this video and in the description, as this is only intended for educational, entertainment, and informative purposes, just to be fair and transparent to all. And since we are still under the testnet, so everything right here is 100% free. Alright guys, so I'm not going to waste my time, so let's get right to it. Alright guys, so this is the one for the Entangle testnet. So before they're going to prepare for the mainnet, so it says right here, and I quote, the implementation of the Entangle network needs to be tested by as many network operators and users as possible. Before we actually go to the task, so let me show you something. So you could see the action and the reward that you're going to get during the airdrop for claiming the testnet tokens from the faucet, the tokens that you stake, delegated, and they have an ongoing Galaxy campaign in which I am going to show it to you guys later on. And of course, guys, they have successfully raised approximately $4 million in their funding round last January 9th of 2024. And here are some of the notable investors like the Big Brain Holdings, the Skynet EGLD Capital, the Faculty Group, the Sire Capital, the MH Ventures, and the Castrum Capital. And there are more actually, in which there is plus 12. Now, it's time for me to show you guys on how are we going to interact in the Entangle testnet before they're going to take the snapshot when the mainnet is officially launched. Now, let's get started. First things first, guys, you need to have an EVM compatible wallet like the MetaMask. So you can see right here, guys, I have already connected my MetaMask, and pay attention to my mouse pointer right here, guys. So if this is your first time in encountering Entangle testnet, so make sure that you switch to the Entangle testnet chain, in which it will be automatically added to your MetaMask just in case that you hadn't added it manually. The first thing that we need to do, guys, is very easy. So all we have to do is to get the testnet tokens. So I'm going to click this right now, guys. So before we're going to receive the token, so I should add these tokens in my MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to click add. Okay, my MetaMask pops up. And of course, here's the one in LP. So I add token. And let's check my MetaMask. And for the tokens, you can see right here, it's NGL. It's time for us to claim the testnet tokens. I'm going to claim right now, guys. Okay, transaction in processing. So we just have to wait. Okay, so it's already a success. Now let's check my MetaMask to see if those testnet tokens have arrived. I'm going to open it right now. And there you go, guys. I already have 0.01 NGL and 1000 LP. So since I've already done this step 2 as my first step, which is okay, of course, let's proceed now to the step 3, which is the liquid vaults. So I'm going to click this one. So it says right here, guided mode active. You're currently in the guided testnet mode on the Entangle Oracle blockchain. You can explore liquid vaults fully by switching your network and obtain testnet tokens from the faucet channel in our Discord. So I click got it. Alright, so this is the only liquid vault that we have right now. So all you have to do, guys, is to click here to open the vault. So what we need to do, guys, is that we will be staking. Now there's a guide right here. Click here, add all available tokens. Let's say I want to max it out for the LP tokens. And of course, this is what I am going to get for the NGL. So of course, I have to approve first. Okay, my MetaMask is opening. Okay, so make sure that I've got the exact number. So I click next and then I just approve. And then let's just wait. Okay, so the transaction is confirmed and approved. It's time for us to stake. So I'm going to click stake. Okay, my MetaMask pops up again. So I have to pay in NGL. So I confirm. Transaction is under processing. Okay, so the transaction is approved. All right. So I had to add receive LSD token in MetaMask. So I click add. You can see right here, guys. Add token. Okay, so it says congrats. You have entered the testnet incentive program. NGL and other tokens you receive on the testnet can only be used for product testing. Please be aware that they have no actual value and therefore can't be withdrawn for cash. Okay, so guys, once again, just to remind you, we are still under the Entangle testnet. So everything right here is 100% free. You don't need to spend a single dime here for the Entangle testnet. So the next thing that we need to do is to delegate. So I click go to delegate. So we have to delegate NGL. So secure the Entangle network by delegating NGL to validators. Now, first things first, guys, I need to select the validator. So we could choose any of them. All right. Let's say I'm going to choose this. And then we delegate Entangle token. So let's say I am going to delegate 50%. And of course, the validator fee is 30%. So let's say I am going to delegate transaction in processing. Okay, so to verify the public key, so I click sign. And then here it is. Signature request. And then I sign. Alright, so token delegation is successful. And of course, this is the one. You could see the delegated amount and the share of the pool that I am expecting. So the same process, guys, if you're going to undelegate. Alright, right now, guys, I am in no rush to undelegate. Speaking of the campaign in Galx, so I am going to show it to you right now. And this is the one, guys. Okay, so I am already following them. And of course, you can see that they have some active campaigns here. So for example, guys, I'm going to their Twitter quest. Alright, so it started last February 2nd. Okay, and there is no deadline as of this time. So all you have to do, guys, is to follow, like, and retweet all of them. Okay, in order for you to complete this task on a first come first serve basis. So the reward is based on a points system, and of course they have a custom reward here as well. So in partnership with a web3 game known as Legends of Elysium, so you can see that we could still catch up in their campaigns. Okay, so these are the existing ones. And make sure, guys, that you have the Entangle role in the official Discord server of Entangle. Alright, so these are the quests. Okay, so just a recap, guys. Of course, you just need to complete these ones right here. So get the testnet tokens, try the liquid vaults, delegate your NGL tokens, and complete the Entangle missions in Galx. Okay, so I would really appreciate some honest feedback from you guys regarding a potential airdrop, which is Entangle, in which they are still under the incentivized testnet. And if you have some questions that were not covered right here in this video of mine, I would try my best to answer them for you, or you can just simply head over to the official socials of Entangle and get in touch with the real admins and mods to potentially answer your queries. And guys, one more thing. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit like, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you think that this video is quite helpful and valuable to you, kindly do not hesitate or think to us and share this to your friends out there, especially those who are so enthusiastic regarding airdrops, crypto, DeFi, and so much more. So I do have a question for you. Did you enjoy watching this video? Has this video helped you a lot and gives value in any way? And what do you think about it? Just let me know right here in the comment section. So once again, this is Nomad Fury, and I'll see you all on my next video.